yes, oh yes. Okay. This suppose not on. Good evening, everyone in the house. The messenger is back on life again. Tom, why not Tom? You know, great Tom. Okay, let's manage it like this. Garoton. Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone in the house. It's your boy once again, Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. Yes, it's another brand new day from the house of the Messenger. Yes, if you see me for the first time, please invite your friends. Tell them, say the Messenger is back today. Now so. Before we start, I know say na music now till they open my house. Yes, and Nikki, may God bless you. Monday Ugbo, that is Junior Councilor Osamende Idehen. I see you, Baba. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please invite your friends. Yes, my topic today now, congratulations to my governor of Edo State. And a message to my new governor, Governor Inoregase. Godwin Inoregase Obaseki. Yes. I'm here to congratulate him once again. More play music now. Now they drum. Please invite your friends. Tell your friends that the Messenger is back again. It's another brand new Tuesday from the house of the Messenger. Where you now? Move starter. And music will take the start, now will take the end down. Yes, so. Please invite your friends. Jennifer, I see you. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you, Pretty. May God bless you. And Joyce, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Friends, invite your friends. Tell your friends that the Messenger is back here. Yes, so congratulations to my governor Obaseki. Just the Messenger is here to give you the latest message. Just you are free to call the Messenger on my WhatsApp. If you have any advice or any message for my governor, just call me on my WhatsApp so that we can deliver the message. I can see my sister Pretty Rocky. I see you. Please invite your friends. Yes, so today program a very nice one. Yes, Osamuyi, I see you. May God bless you. Yes, so congratulations to Governor Godwin Inoregase Obaseki. Yes, that is the latest governor in Edo State. Yes, we are here to congratulate him and to give him a message so that he not go forget. No summon your body now. Please invite your friends. I want to see more people. Just so. Yes, so 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Yes. Please invite your friends. Yes, so I'm here to dance for my governor. Governor Obaseki Togba Ogbane. They do now. Thank you very much. Osaro, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Pretty Rocky, may God bless you. May God bless you, Pretty Rocky. Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. Invite your friends. I want to see more people. Jeffros Explosion, I see you, gele gele. Yes, so my topic is congratulations to our latest governor in Edo State and a message to him. Yes, my line is free. If you want to call, if you have any message, and I know since when I start my live video, I never open room for call. But today I go open room for call when the time reach. So if any message they won't fit deliver to my governor, we'll deliver am here today. Thank you, Amos Udin. I see you, gele gele. Yes, so please invite your friends. Esiza1, I can see you. Thank you for watching. Patrick Igbinige, aka Esiza1 of Sheshege. I see you, Rolly. Chika Rolly, I see you, mommy. May God bless you. That one am my Oga wife. Owoka Talakpa. Ijarojo. If you want to understand the meaning of Ijarojo, you go tap your Google. Please invite your friends. Yes, so I want to see about Obaze. If you are a friend to Obaze, please invite him so that he go fit deliver my message to my governor today. Yes, because Abat na PA to Godwin Nogherase Obaseki. Please invite Abat Obaze for me. You're coming out today. Not be smarty. Yes, so. Enemy go cry now. Ogbane. Thank you, Roland Osareti. Yes, the messenger. Please invite your friends. I want to see more people. Now so. Yes, good evening everyone in the house. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, I may be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. Yes, if anybody they ask you why the shakara, why they heal, you go tell the person, say make you go tap, you go, because no time to check time. Yes, my topic today now. Maybe not vessel. I could wait. With Bible. Yeah, my topic today now. Congratulations to my governor, Godwin Nogherase Obaseki. I come happy with him because Edo way or going go. We mean no go. Yes, Pretty Rocky, I see you. Yes, I see you. Thank you very much. Roland Usareti, Omos Udin, Anita Ogiamie, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please invite your friends. Yes, my topic now. Congratulations to my governor of Edo State. He agbe pardon na. He will be champagne because it's not easy to contest election. It's not easy. I remember when I want contest for my club for Nigeria at that time. I want contest for committee chairman. Now that day I know say election is not easy. 3 people contest with me. But I still win them. I win them. Before I come out for Nigeria. The 6 clubs when I did, no one when I for not get post. I get post for all. I do president for one. Whether they call wise men. So that is why I say make I come out today. Make I congratulate my governor. My governor. Talk back governor. There are a lot one go discuss today. And I'll still give my governor some message. That's why I go open my line today. My number dey my wall. My WhatsApp number. Just give me. If the time reach, call me on my WhatsApp. If any message they want give governor, we go give am. Because we dey very happy to see say he come back. Because he don't fair work before. And we see say na better person. Now everybody support him. Yes, thank you very much. Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. My governor Obaseki, congratulations. A very big congratulations to you, sir. A very big congratulations. My platform now to happy with people when they happy. That's why I be the king of birthday wishes. Very soon I go to invite some artists. They come. It don't be studio. I don't build down to become studio. Very soon it go become studio. Yes, Anita Ogiamien, thank you very much. And my viewers, people when they support me knowingly and unknowingly, now God will bless all of you now. Now when they call me, they support me. Now God will bless all of you now. Yes, my governor, please, if you are a friend to Abat or Baza, please invite Abat for me. Mukuna invite Abat for me. Yes, I want from here, from this medium, thank all social media presidents when be say they support my governor, Obaseki. Aproko people, where on a day, make una cut this message. Oh. I remember when Aproko cut my video. Now that day I will get the highest viewer pass. I was having up to 36,000 viewers on that 3 days. Aproko, make una cut this one so that it go reach where my governor dey. Governor Godwin a number no regase Obaseki. If you want to understand the meaning of a no regase, you go tap your Google. What's no way yana say? If you want to understand the meaning of Edo when I speak, tap your Google. Your Google will tell you. Yes, I don't go to stay long today. I'm just here because of my governor. Yes, una when I do advert for make una no verse for me today. I only have 4 birthday when I want wish today. After I don't congratulate my governor, then I go give a message. Then I go open room for my country people, for Edo people. So that na fit give una message. What you now want, may our governor they do for us for Edo State. We want me work for us. That's why we all they say talk back. Talk back. E get one important thing when I want talk, when I want let Abat or Bazen know, so that it go help me deliver this message to Governor Godwin Inogegase Obaseki. Because Abat, I know say you be PA to Obaseki, to our governor, the new governor. we too love our governor. When I see the way when Edo people for Germany, for UK, for Italy, for France, name them for the whole world. The first time when I see say that they do election for Nigeria, it go concern people when they Europe. That be this our governor. That one show say, governor, you are a nice person. I'll give my message, but I want to congratulate you. Congratulations to you. Big one, a very big congratulations. All Edo people say a very big congratulations. I even come to see pictures when be say our women when marry Oyibo, even they say 4+4 talk back for Facebook. It means say Governor Obaseki, now God send you come. Now God send you come. The messenger is here to congratulate you and to give you the message and to ask people opinion. That's why I give my number out today. Since when I start my live video, I never open my line, make them call me for live. But today I want open her because of my governor. Yeah. Almost would say 4+4, 8. 8 + 8, 16. In Jesus' name. Amen. Almost would say, oh, when ego go high, always a talk you go want for. Almost would. Yes. Please invite your friends. Invite your friends. Because me, I get my message when I want to give my governor after I don't congratulate him. Then if message day, you when they look me so, if message day, what you want me, our governor they do for this 4 years when enter, so when enter, and don't already enter. Yes, you go call the messenger for my WhatsApp. Yeah, my WhatsApp is open now. You can call me so that the people can hear you. You still give your opinion. Yes, anywhere you did for the whole world, make you enter. Invite your friends. Invite your friends. Yes, the main important, the first thing when before I congratulate my governor. Now, not say this 4+4 talk bar, 4+4 talk bar. Now see that sea or any river when you see, it get the beginning. Now let the sea, we don't know where for start, we don't know where for end. Only one person went trying at that time say he want know where the sea start, where for end. Now second journey, now he go. When he come out, he go round. Where for start, he can't still stop there. Now he say he must know where the sea for end. Now enter again. As he go, he not come back. That's why then they use and make parable say, now second journey, now he keep on go back. My governor, I can't come happy for you because second journey not kill you. You see the end. I come here today to happy for my governor. I get powder here when I go rub for her. I get champagne when I go bust because you when they look me so now no say my program na enjoyment program. If you know say you never get your good then I can see my mommy Mrs. Ojarara, that's Mrs. Clara Ojarara. I don't see you, Mama Clara, one of Milan, Mrs. Christiana Ojarara. I see you, Miss Pretty. God bless you, Miss Pretty Good. That is Mama Twins One of Paris. Please make una invite una friends. Make una invite una friends. Just. My topic now to just congratulate my governor, Godwin Enoregase Obaseki. Yes, my governor, a big congratulations. As I talk and just now say, now second journey, now key Mongo Park. Second journey, not key my governor. We need to happy for you, my excellency, my honorable. Eddie Mayata, yes, my honorable. Thank you very much, Christiana Ojarara, Mr. Christy Ojarara. May God bless you. That's Mama Clara, one of Milan. Say good evening to everyone. Yes, Mama Clara, they greet everyone when in the house today. And Miss Pretty Good, may God bless you. That's Mama Twins One of Paris. Yes, so talk bar as I talk on the con talk bar na person. Now he compose that talk bar 4+4 talk bar. Your Excellency, I know say this video, even though you not see, people they won't go tell you say person like this talk to you. Your Excellency, Abat Obaze, the person when bring this talk back on, now he do campaign for our governor. that musician when he sing that song, when we take on know this 4+4 talk back, that musician need to be rewarded because now he do election. Now see say if song rain, everybody they sing and small children they sing and now no say this tongue, there's power in the tongue. Talk bani, oh yeah, see one geleg ba. Talk bani that musician, I go mention his name and I go play the music. Now go know the musician when they talk so. Now he compose talk back on. When talk back on full everywhere. When BC Governor Obaseki take Homyoto. If you want to understand the meaning of Homyoto, you go tap your Google. You tap your Google. Not be lie. As I talk on before, I'm here for my governor today to give the message and to congratulate him. Just Governor Godwin Nongerase Obaseki. That musician when he composed that music 4+4 Togba Owo Togba Eva I know say na Italy dey, but na need to compensate am. I need to compensate am. Because that guy composed that music, the song come now that song give you do. Now I do campaign for my governor. Edo people can grab him. Germany people, now God go bless you now. I dey see all of you now for Facebook. I dey see all of you now. Italy, especially Verona people, I dey see all of you now. The way when I tell you cook bagba, the way when I don't tell you cook bagba for our governor Obaseki. Now God go bless all of you now. Now God will bless all of you now. That is why I said, I get message for our governor today. So before we go to the message, make I first congratulate my governor, Obaseki. Star Majesty, now he composed talk back home. Is the governor of Ogba. 4+4 equals to 8. Star Majesty is the composer of that music. That musician need to be rewarded. Deji Pokpa wano wa demune. Dometi fiere Vitali. Wa demune. Star Majesty. AKA 4+4 Togba Ademune Agbenyejo. Because that musician need to be rewarded. They need to be rewarded. Yes, before we start, may I play the music, make una for hear. So now this music, now I want to congratulate my governor, Your Excellency, Governor Godwin Nongerase Obaseki. I want to use this music to congratulate you. You are welcome to the office back. Enemy betray me, they push you come out there. They don't know say, people, person when be say, Bini ho. Person when be say Bini muwowo edo mu ewowo ne omo nije muwowo de Godwin Nongerase Obaseki imahia mu ewowo. That's why the messenger is here today to congratulate you. Congratulations to you, Your Excellency. Make you the dance, make you the happy. If people they ask you why they happy, tell them say make they go tap their go-go. Make they tap their go-go go tell them why they happy. Because Edo people stand for you. God constantly stand for you. My governor, Your Excellency. Abat Obaze, please deliver this my message. Deliver this my message to my governor. Star Majesty need to be rewarded. Star Majesty. Not be my brother, not be my... But... Any ama or my tie. If I see better thing, I go talk am. If I see bad thing, I go talk am. Because that make me the messenger. Messenger not dey fear anything. Anything when God say make I talk, I go talk am. Unagu ko egboko. Ruda idere log why we have a log yo. If you want to understand the meaning of that Edo, you go and tap your go. Tap your go. Your go tell you. Just more play my brother music. Star Majesty. Yes, the ministry is moving. Thank you, Precious of Vyasuyi. May God bless you. Taxi, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Pretty Johnson, thank you for watching. Please share my video. I want to see more people. As I play my brother music, Star Majesty, so that we can congratulate Godwin Nongerase Obaseki. Just, if you never hold your wine, make you go carry your wine. Make I fair cover this birthday note first. May I fair cover. I want to congratulate my governor. I read you. Now see this thing, I king the whole. See, now this one I want to congratulate my governor. Governor Godwin Enongerase Obaseki. A big congratulations to you. Now you disvirgin this my Okpo when king the whole. Now this one I want the whole now after this congratulations to my governor. If you see say I use this one, they wish people happy birthday now. Man, congratulate. Yes, Godwin Enongerase Obaseki. Let's use this music to congratulate my Excellency Godwin Nongerase Obaseki. Yes, so. Just if you see me for the first time, I mean be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. I'm here to congratulate my governor. Star Majesty, where are you? Whether your music, you send and come for me today. Star Majesty. Voila. Make una listen how 4 + 4 = 8. Talk back take come. Now this man, Star Majesty, when sing, Egyan bete buhe. Osenegyan belete vakara. Now no damn guy. Now it be Star Majesty when be say he composed this Ogba for our governor. That's why I say he need to be rewarded. He need to be say congratulations to PDP. Yes. Yeah, Pisca, I see you. Thank you for watching. Please share my video. So this Star Boy, make una listen to this music. I'll give him like 5 minutes. Me take play. So I'll bust. If you never hold your champagne, at this talk back a go so. And we go bust champagne for east side. And we want to congratulate my governor now. At this music. Now we take campaign for him. And now we want to congratulate him. So if you there with me, you never get your wine. See my na Moscato now they drink. Moscato and Guinness. My old don't day here for my governor. Godwin Enongerase Obaseki. If your own never there with you, make you go buy, make you take celebrate. I know say many people. I see some videos when be say Izidogun for Verona they happy. Now Paris you want talk. Now Germany name them for the whole world. Everybody was happy for our governor. The first time for me to see this kind of election. Free and fair election, no killing, no shooting of gun. First time. It can be a Nongerase. Osabana Giorese. Make we congratulate my governor before we go to the next step. Oh yeah now. Join me to congratulate my Excellency Governor Enongerase Obaseki. Talk back. Oh, congratulations! Yeah, be pardon. Oh, congratulations to my governor. This one a pardon when I want run for you. Yes. Ogboru Ekbibi equals to 8 to PDP 4 + 4. Talk by AP. Yes, so PDP, congratulations to you for unity. Congratulations, Ogboro Egbibi, Governor Godwin Enongerase. Congratulations to you from the house of the messenger. If you want to understand the meaning of the Edo, you go tap your go. Yes, so Mamudia Nwene, you are a good governor. Yeah, be champagne. Iwa kakaboya me. Iwa kakaboya me. Yes, so congratulations to Godwin Enongerase Obaseki. Iwa kakaboya me. Oye me o. Oh, I'm making a damn Emanite damn. Hip hip hip. Yes, so hip hip hip. Hooray! A big congratulations to PDP. I go dance for you today. Oh. My vote in Nene. Mamutia Yeke, Godwin. Yes, sir. Let me know when you're back. Obaseki. Yes, so a big congratulations to my governor, Godwin Enongerase Obaseki. Yes, this is the governor of Togba, Sir Majesty. He needs to be rewarded. Godwin, congratulations to you. Congratulations to this your office once again. From the house of the messenger. All Edo people, they are all behind you. Governor Obaseki. You are a winner. You will always be a winner. I take a man born on her grandma. Yeah, mommy. Thank you, Omosudi. I see you. Please share my video. Where are the aprocos? Share my video. Yes, I'm happy for my governor, Obaseki. Ikwe, Mama Kwe, Togba. Prince Best, I see you, my brother. May God bless you. Pretty Johnson, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my brother. Fred Smart, may God bless you. Yes, I can see my sister Stella Samuel. May God bless you. Yes, so Thank you very much, Star Majesty. Yes, we are still celebrating our governor, Godwin Enogerase Obaseki. And now see this, my brother, when he play this music. Star Majesty. My governor, you need to reward this man because now he bring that 4+4 Togba. Now he composer since last year. Now he composed this music. I don't dey play this music for this my platform. I don't dey play even before the election come go to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. So won't take come out. This guy need to be rewarded. He not call me, I not bribe, he not bribe me, say make I come talk for you. Me I be person. If I see better thing, I go talk on. Yeah, I can see my father Don Flo Osas, one of Verona Baba. I greet you, sir. Good evening. Adesu Ajeni, that is the latest Iyomomo one of Paris. Mama Destiny. Wato. Yes. We are here to celebrate our governor, Governor Godwin Enogerase Obaseki. Please, Abat, who know about Obaze, I don't beg people say make una help me invite am so that I know say if this my message feel reach where Abat dey, e go reach where our governor dey. Governor Obaseki, reward Star Majesty for Togba composition. Na in composer 4+4 Togba. Na in composer. That's why I played that music just now. Now, as we don't happy for you to this office, we welcome you. Edo people really love you in the whole world. As I talk just now, first time when I see say election they come, people they do campaign for governor for Italy, for France, for Germany, for Spain, for UK, for US. They do campaign for governor when they Edo State for Nigeria. And he really can win. And everybody they happy. If I tell you say the drinks when I see say they do celebration for Verona City yesterday. When I see her for Facebook, I say this governor. Now God send her come. Now God now send her come. Governor Obaseki, people love you. People love you. But I get message for you. Anybody can call. If I don't give my message, now let Tiri request. I get my governor. Yes, me I hold my new staff. Yes. And this one wanted to wish people happy birthday as the king of the birthday wishes. We don't burst champagne. Champagne, you need to go to one side. I need to walk with clear eye. Yes, first on my list, my governor. Abat Obaze, please deliver this my message to my governor. My governor, Your Excellency, and I don't rub powder for you since when I take happy for you. You see, say I not wear shirt today because my heart is full of joy. Yes, my governor, everybody they happy, everybody support you. To make sure say you come back to the office when they drag with you. Because now God ordained make it be like that. It was peaceful election. Even when I see some videos when they be want to ring some ballot box for Uronigbe. Uronigbe youth, if you want to understand the meaning of Uwata, you go tap your Google. Uronigbe youth, they hold those people. No be this time. See, this time around, our youth don't invest. We don't open eye. We don't open eye. Some people, they will be say they sell their land, sell their property, say they want to travel to Europe. At the end of the day, so no fit pass Libya, then go back home. So no fit cross the sea, then die for sea. So they when fit enter house. The ones when fit go back. He say the English people say, he said travel is part of education. Yes. We don't civilize. I see video when somebody do on that day, that very day when they do election. Some parties were sharing 7,000 to youth to vote for them. But my governor then collected the 7,000 on their pocket and still vote for you, the governor, because they say now you they want. Our people so much love you. This message go to you, my governor. Lahore Baba. The messenger want to speak. My governor. Eyekwe mwima. Eyekwe mwedo. Eyekwe mwedo. People fit think say, fit dey feel say, wetin I dey talk. Eyekwe mwedo. Edi maya tulele. Oshomole. I remember the time of Oshomole. That time Okada they work for Edo. Then go sacrifice their days, their time. Even when Oshomole contest that time, you don't win. Then they follow and go court. The day of court. No Okada men they go work that day. No market women they go market that day. They fight for them. First tenor, he work. Second tenor, he comes and show us pepper. That's why I say, my governor, you see, say, Edo people, they don't take bribe from you. Even Edo people, when they Europe, when they every part of the world, they come out, do campaign for you. You not settle us. You not settle anybody. Because now you God sent come. Baba, first one I want beg. That godfatherism where you don't want for your government. For this or second tenor. Make you not ally more. Make you not ally my governor. Make you work for Edo people. Make us proud. Make us not say governor, they pass governor. Make us not say, now you be the real person when God sent come Edo State. Let him know my sunu there. The government get sunu way. If you want to understand the meaning of that Edo, you go tap your gogo. Tap your gogo. Let him know my sunu the governor si yani egbera. Get ya sunu way. My governor, in no say your excellency. Get ya sunu way. Ni mami na asanyo we kwa we. Ege nu na governor for 8 years. Eminu nahi. Eminu nahi amya aziri. If you want to understand the meaning of the Edo, you go tap your Google. My governor, first thing when I go beg you, when you go do for Edo State, for my opinion, that's why I open my line today. You when they look me, if any message there when you want me the governor here, call my WhatsApp number. If you know me, I call the number one I go call. But now feel let me now 3 things now I fair ask my governor before anybody fee call me. Anybody fee call me. My number now plus 33. No, no vessel. No say our this plus my number, my WhatsApp number, just call me on WhatsApp. Plus 337 any part of the world when you dey. If you know say you dey online, you feel call on WhatsApp. Now free. as far as you get your internet. Plus 337 536 826 47. Any fast writer? My sister did the Stella Samuel. Where are you? My sister almost would make you help me tap my number comment. I know say you get my number. Yes. Nice one and lovely superstar. Correct. Carry go. The sky is your limit. Thank you very much, Pat Osamuji. That's my prophet. That one a prophet when be say with God they discuss. Baba, I'll soon reach your side. I'll soon reach your side, Baba. I know say your birthday day road they come. I'll soon reach your side. Yes. My number, may I call again? If you want to call, plus 337 536 826 47. You feel call me after I don't call 3 things when I want make governor do for my country people for Edo State. Your Excellency Governor Godwin Inogerase Obaseki. For this your second tenure, I know say work many when you full Edo State. For you to support our masses, Governor, you just please, we need free education for Edo State. I can't grow meet free education. Thank you, Mrs. Christiana Ojarara. That is Mama Clara 1 of Milan. Now my WhatsApp number, now she write comment so. If you want to call, if you have any message, anything to say to our governor, I know say this video, it go reach where my governor dey. Even though say it not reach there, somebody dey when go tell him. Somebody dey when go tell him. We need free education for Edo State. Primary school free education, secondary school free. And if na university, then fee no yet TV le awala. You now understand me? Free education. You go empower our youth, especially the ones when go school, when never get work. Empower them. Create work avenue for them. Stable light. We know say only your power no go reach there finish. Light supposed to be federal. But make you still disturb our president Buhari and you disturb him. At least stable light. If even though say not stable, at least if na a week, make them still they take on like once or 2 times. And the others 5 days go be light. So that our people feel when they do business. I don't talk and say if they give light projects to Dangote for Nigeria, I swear to God, Nigeria will get stable electricity. If they give that contract, say Dangote, this electricity, we want sell am to you or we want hand over am to you, make you dey in charge. Nigeria go get stable electricity. Because we all know say the darkness of Nigeria, many people are benefiting from it. Yes, that is the truth. Many people, they benefit from the darkness when we get for Nigeria. Because if lights there, they're not going to sell generator. The messenger. Yes, that is number 2. Number 3, my governor. I don't dey beg this one. No say na because of election. I make you not to hear me like that. The lecturers, when be say the workers, when be say they don't work for few months, when they never receive salary, make you try, make you look into their issue. And the message when I get, for today. First, free education, electricity, job empowerment for the masses. Yes. They come, everybody they happy, they dance, they do everything for you. Now for make things better for us, we know say now you go feed down for us, and we know say you go feed down. That's why that's why me rub harder for you today. Yes. If you get any contribution, you can call me now. My line is open. My line is open. My line is open. Yes, if you have anything to tell the governor, say this is what we want from Edo State, and this is the area you want from Edo State, just call the messenger. Just call the messenger. Just call the messenger. You can call me now. My line is open. My line is open. My line is open. You are very free to call. I will just give like we are 9:28 now. By 9:40 we go to the main business of the day, the birthday wishes. Just if you see me for the first time, my line is open. Anybody can call me now. My number is there, 075 368 2647. And if you want to put the code now, plus 337. You know, put 0. And you can call me now. There's any message, any advice for our governor, you can call me now so that it will be documented. I know say the message go reach where my governor dey. Thank you, Iman Joy. May God bless you. God bless you. Please share this video. Share this video before we enter the main business of the day. Yes, if you don't see me for the first time, I mean be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. Yes, my platform now to make people happy. Give message when message day. Happy with people when they happy. My platform no be to Susa, no be to Gwezo Dovame, no be to Gwezo boyfriend and girlfriend. If you want to understand the meaning of the Edo, you go tap your Google. You tap your Google will tell you. Please, I want to see some callers. I need like 6 or 7 callers. Any message from my governor? Let me know the mind of my people. Almost Udin, where you dey now? Where you dey now? Where you dey now? I never did see my sister Stella. Stella somewhere. Do you think Obaseki have listening ear for anyone if he can complete the? I know. If you not get ear, I don't mean I talk women they do not buy. Now the message when God send me now I can't deliver. If you yell, but I'm here to congratulate him. Yes. Almost within say see me. Any message from my governor? Yes, what you want me to do for this second tenor? Cause me I don't beg and make it not shame us. Because we all dey support say make it come back, and we all dey happy say he win. Make it not shame us. The way when Osho Baba, I not mention if you can't put Mole, Osho Mole, Jonah, now you can know Osho Baba, the way to shame us, he shame himself. He be try first tenor, second tenor. Now message I be. Yes, any message. Yes, I just have like 10 minutes to listen to some message. There's no message. There's no message. I go to my main business. My business now to wish people happy birthday. Give message. I don't give my message. I always talk anytime give message. If you don't like anyone, filter the one when you don't like, make you throw away. May I remain the messenger to you. Also, the donor with the if you want to understand the meaning of that Edo, you go tap your Google. You go tap your Google. You tap your Google. Now only 4 people I need to wish happy birthday today. Yes. Let me see if I will have some callers. I don't see nobody call. Okay, now we say Obaseki go do everything we want. Baba, Your Excellency, a big congratulations to you from the house of the messenger. A big congratulations. A big congratulations. Yes. So before I wait for 8 minutes, if I don't see any caller, we go for the main business of the day. May I quick do some small advert before I see any caller. Let's say somebody don't dey line. For the main business of the day. Hello. We do some small advert.
Hello.
Hello, please lower your phone, lower the volume of your phone so that we can hear you well. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, we can hear you. Oh, it's cut. If you dey call me, you lower the sound of your phone so that we can hear you clearly. So, any message for my governor? If you want to congratulate and you still call say you want to congratulate the governor, we go receive you. Hello? Any message for my Hello? Hello?
Hello, good evening, bros.
Hey, auntie, good evening.
How about you, Bele?
I dey live now. Who I dey talk to? Wetin? Who I dey talk to? What's your name? The whole world is listening to you. The whole world is listening to you. So which advice you get? What do you have to say?
My name is Ombos Udi.
That is my mommy. Almost Udin International. I know say Unyayekwe Muwe. If you want to understand the meaning of Unyayekwe Muwe, you go tap your Google. So, is there any message from my governor Obaseki? Are you happy that?
So we want to congratulate.
Okay.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm the happiest person in the whole world because if not Obaseki, I believe everything could have went wrong by now in Nigeria.
Okay.
State, precisely. So I want to really appreciate him for his good work, and I pray for God to strengthen him for him to continue doing the good work that he has been doing. So according to your message this evening, what Oshomole did before 4 years it was good, but the remaining 4 years he messed up. So that is the reason, that is the place we are really going to advise our governor for him not to disappoint us, because a lot of us, all the old Edo people, we really stand by him.
Okay.
If we ask Obaseki to pay us, he cannot pay everybody.
Yes.
So we stand by him without warning. We encourage him, we make sure that he come back for the 4 years, and we are still hoping on another 4 years.
Okay.
So we want him not to disappoint us the way Oshomolo disappoint us. I was watching him yesterday when they were interviewing him. According to his statement, he said Edo is going up and up we shall go.
Yes.
And he's the one that will make we the Edo to go up. Because it's not by saying it with his mouth, it's by doing it.
Okay.
So he has to really do what he promised to do for we the Edo people not to be put to shame. Because if he disappoints us, my dear, we are not going anywhere. So I believe if Obaseki really stands by word, if it's possible for him to rule another 4 years, Edo people will still stand by him to continue ruling.
Okay.
So that is the advice I have. I really want everybody to join me and beg him. It's not that we are forcing him, we are begging him for him not to disappoint us. It's very, very important.
Okay. Thank you.
I really appreciate you for your message. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Omos Udin. Thank you very much. Shey una hear wetin he talk. He say make he not disappoint us as Osho take disappoint us. He said the love won't get for am, the way one take stand for am for this election, he not go fit pay everybody. So Baba, That is the message from Omos Udin. Omos Udin, thank you very much for calling. So I need more callers. I still have like 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. I need more callers. Omos Udin, thank you very much. Thank you. Speaker, don't disconnect. Yes, so Star Majesty, you are welcome. I don't talk your matter since. Please invite or Abat or Baze. Say God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, I need more callers. Yes, according to Omos Udin, he say Obaseki make you not shame us. Say the whole world, the whole Benin people for the whole world, they all stand by you to make sure say you come back. He say if you do as you talk, he say we are still ready to vote for you for another tenure so that you can't be like that president when they know they feel removed for seats. And so now your matter will come be. So any more caller before we go to the main message of the day. Thank you, Omos Udin. Odion Lovette, may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please invite your friends before we go. I have 3 minutes more. If I don't see any caller, I will thank Omos Udin. You are the only caller today. May God bless you. May God bless you very much. May God bless you. Yes, we want to enter the main business of the day. Yes, if you see me for the first time, I mean be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. I don't deliver my message. The message when God say me I give, I don't deliver it. So, if anyone day when you don't like, make you fit and through where may I still remain the messenger to you. Yes, I be don't forget my music. I be say will come out on the 20th. But when they miss and come for me, the things when I need not complete. So I have to send it back to them. So they are still working on it. So I do where when I did Nigeria, I know the music when I did sing, even though say people never too know like that. Now small, but I did make sure say it done. I know they eat food when not done and they let the food done. Once it done, I go drop on. At least not on Friday. Please, I'm sorry say I disappoint you now. Say I no forfeit my promise. So let's go to the main business of the day. Yes, if you see me for the first time, maybe if you join my program for the first time, my program now to wish people happy birthday, give message to people when be say they need message, and give message to people when they made mistake, when no say a mistake that they make, so that we all make mistake every day, but nobody is above mistake. We make mistake every day. The main important thing now to make mistake and know the correction. That's the important for life. If you they made mistake, you know want change, you know go fit change. Also they do now where era no we gbegbe egbo. If you want to understand the meaning of the Edo, you go tap your Google. That is person when saying don't strong. If you too strong, like this thing now is strong. I know if you bend, if I bend, I feel break. But when if you dey flexible, I feel bend, I feel do as I want. Now be correction when they correct ourselves for life. Now be message. Now be the work. When God send we musicians come this world to give message so that we will use until they correct our mistake. Yes, As I said before, if you are seeing me for the first time, now me, Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of Birthday Wishes. Anybody when I call in name when they do birthday, just help me to tap happy birthday. Just tap happy birthday to the person, because one day your picture go still dey my table on your behalf, so that you go see who go still wish you happy birthday. That's why they use and make parable say arena. If you want to understand the meaning of that Ishan, you go tap your Google. Some people go see say their friend they do birthday, post the picture for them to even tap happy birthday. Oja say yawe. Oja say yawe. Of Ogbera. That's why you see some people go post picture, you go see only 2 comments. Because you know they comment for people who. You know they comment. May my brother play for us. May I take breaks more. Destiny. Osas Destiny. The new latest when you play. More than you're listening to around 5 minutes before we enter the main.
Yeah, man. Come here again with a brand new style. Destiny Osas, aka Apostle Star.
Now this one be Destiny Osas. Just listen to this music before we enter the main birthday wishes. I'll be with you soon. Okay now, Destiny Osas, thank you. Thank you for this music. When you play, I will play later because time no day. No time to check time. Yes, the first on my list. It's a Pat Ijagbonya. Today na her birthday. Pat Ijagbonya. Yes, na Adesuwa Jenny, one of Paris. And your godson when be Destiny. Now Destiny make I wish you happy birthday. Adesuwa Jenny and Destiny. If you see this Pat Ijagbonya, this girl too fine. Fine baby. But like a body. Me bonnet tere. Yes, my country people, join me to wish Pat Ijagbonya happy birthday. Now today, it can't be saying that today when I can celebrate my governor. Now they born this fine sister. Sister, wow. Make I show this my sister. If I see this sister now, me bonnet tere. Join me to wish Pat Ijagbonya happy birthday from Adesuwa Jenny and na her godson Destiny. Still now Destiny make I wish you happy birthday. Now this one be Pat Ijagbonya. No say no. Oh, say pikin fine. On our what they do my way. Yes, please join me to wish Pat Ijagbonya happy birthday, long life and prosperity, more money on your account. Make I first show Adesuwa Jenny, one of Paris, aka the latest Iyomomo, one of Paris. Make I first show her picture. Mona know who I they talk about. I'll still show Pat Ijagbonya second picture just now. Me na say speaking fine. It's too fine. It too go fine. Umosegbe. If you want to understand the meaning of Umosegbe, you go tap your Google. Yes. Now this one be Adesuwa Jenny, one of Paris, aka the Iyomomo one. Mama Destiny, one of Paris. Yes, now then say make I come wish you happy birthday. Pat Ejagbonya, make I show your godson when still they wish you happy birthday. If this your godson, as he small, so don't they wish you happy birthday. Now be safe, he don't grow. He go buy all my Jeep for you. He go buy all my Jeep for you. Yes, now this one be destiny. This one na Adesuwa pride o. Adesuwa no dey use this pikin follow person play o. Yes, now this one be destiny. Now Pat Ejagbonya godson be this o. Yes, Ejagbonya, yes, your godson still dey wish you happy birthday. He say long life and prosperity. Thank you, Omos Udin. He say she too fine. Almost you didn't say you too fine. No, almost you didn't. You sure say I know put money for this Pat Ejagbonya head. I will put money. Oh, she too fine. Yes, Pat Ejagbonya, happy birthday to you from Adesuwa Jenny 1 of Paris and your godson. And your godson. And your godson, Destiny. Yes, now then say make I wish you happy birthday. Me I pray for you. I buy this support to pray for my birthday people when I they wish happy birthday. Pat Ejagbonya, happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Please join me. Mona, just join me. The tap happy birthday, Prince Bobby. Thank you very much. Say happy birthday, long life, more blessing and more. Thank you very much, Kevin. I see you. Say respect, Baba. Respect to you. Thank you very much, Omos Udin. He say cute boy. Yes, Adesuwa baby fine because her mama fine, papa fine. Pat Ejagbonya, happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity, more money on your account. Normal setting boy Nigeria tik boy we boo. Na no do bien when I na go you for boy. Now today be your birthday. Edu bien. If you want to understand the meaning of edu bien, you go tap your Google. Yes, Pat Ejagbonya. Yes, now Adesuwa Jenny 1 of Paris. They wish you happy birthday. Your godson, Destiny, they wish you happy birthday. Pat Ejagbonya, long life and prosperity. Make you the dance, make you the happy. Today when be your birthday, I know say Paris don't carry load. Make you not forget to drop my good day. You drop my good day. Yes, Pat Ejagbonya, happy birthday to you once again. Yes, now your friend, your godson mother, Adesuwa Jenny. Now she they wish you. Now 2 of them they wish you happy birthday. I go play music for you, make you take dance. So now so they do. As the music they dance, people go they wish you happy birthday. Yes, prophets Osamoji. Yes, that is the Uregbe. The Uregbe 1 of the universe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. He says superstar. I say Tony Weban Baba. I say Tony Weban. The sky is your limit. Thank you very much, Baba. Thank you. Yes, Adesuwa Jenny. Thank you very much for you to remember your mother. That is your son, godmother. Today when do bien when be birthday. Now so God go to remember you and Destiny. And Pat Ejagbonya, now so God go to remember you. Today when be your birthday, Pat Ejagbonya. If anybody they ask you why the shakara, you go tell that person say make you go tap your go. Tell them me tap your go. Yes, Pat Ejagbonya. I don't see you. I know say you are watching me. Now time for you to dance. So I will be. Then they dance on my platform. They call your name, you go dance. Make I show your second picture. Ew, I like this your native. Walala. I also say you cut small weight for me. I hope say you cut small weight for me. Yes, now this one be Pat Ejagbonya. Yes, happy birthday to you. Almost Udin say happy birthday to you. Thank you very much, Adesuwa Jenny. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now this one be Pat Ejagbonya. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Make you enjoy this music when I want to play for you. Make you enjoy it. Enjoy it. Who want to play music for you now?
That's it's someone for the king.
Okay.
But I make you not give up on yourself.
Adesuwa, make you call Pat. Please join me to wish Pat happy birthday. Ejagbonya Pat, Ejagbonya. Yes, so. Osanoja Loko. Yes, so join me to wish Pat Ejagbonya happy birthday. Yes, so long life and prosperity. More money on your account. Thank you very much, Kevin. May God bless you. Eboli webansi lavane. Asani yo. Yes, so. Yes, so join me to type happy birthday to Pat Ejagbonya. Ina do bobe gadigwe. Eliesi of your day. God can answer anybody. God can bless. Yes, so make I show Adesuwa, Jenny, one of Paris, when they wish Pat happy birthday. Yes, and this one be Adesuwa. And Destiny, her godson. May I show him? Follow. Yes, so now this one be Destiny. The godson to Pat Ejagbonya. Thank you very much, Prophet Osamonji Olayemi. We are not saying you, Baba no man kweji. Niyaka yakwene yakere television bi paloma o. Edana egibo ni buke no iseli moto jana. Wagi jana o. Oda o akuri. Emi nsese oluboyan e. Emi no yare oluboyan e. Omo na ma biere agbon na jere. Ode to your banyan do. No wonder why the referee will always say the game is not over. It's not over. Yes, the game is not over. Yes, Pat Ejagbonya, happy birthday to you once again because of time. Because Emaniro Wajimina. Yes, if you see me for the first time, thank you, Stella, Samuel, and Kevin, for wishing Pat Ejagbonya happy birthday. And today, now be the birthday today. And today. Yes, I want to wish you happy birthday, Prophet Osamonji Olayemi, aka Uregbe, one of the universe, the oracle of God, based in United Kingdom. This man, I know this man when I did Nigeria. This one a prophet when be say he in with God, they talk one-on-one. If they talk, they come to pass. During the time of Buhari election, this prophet prophesied saying that Buhari go win. The first 10 will not be said the second one. He prophesied. True. The prophecy come pass. Even this election when they do on the 20th, a year ago, now he prophesied say Obaseki he go win election for 2020, and the prophecy come to pass. Who are they talking about? Prophets Osamonji Olayemi, aka the Uregbe, one of the universe. I will show the man. Maybe many of you go know. Yes, I go show him. I want to wish you happy birthday in advance. I want to wish you happy birthday in advance, Baba. Baba, if you dey watch me, the date of your birthday, just quick send them for me. Send them for me for my WhatsApp now. Now. If you are watching me, I know you are watching me. Yes, my prophet. You be my godfather from today. Be my godfather. If I say I dream, say the dream not clear, I go call you, Baba. I go call you. I go call you because I know say before Jesus Christ was born, there were wise people. That's why the day when they born Jesus Christ, now the 3 wise men, now I know say a king was born. So, like my prophets, if you see any prophets or any pastors or any musicians, we are not ordinary. God, they talk to us. God, they talk to us. I said we will tag said we will Just make I show my Baba. Yes, now your wife won't be Mrs. Yes, not vessel. Mrs. Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael, one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. Now she say make I wish you happy birthday in advance. Daddy, make you send me the date. Just quick send me the date when you want to do the birthday. Make I show my daddy picture. Please, my people, join me to wish my prophet happy. Okay, he say October 13. Yes, now October 13. Now they want to do the birthday on the 13th of October. 13th of October. 13th of October. Yes. Yes, 13th of October. Now my daddy want to do birthday. Baba, happy birthday in advance to you. Make I show your picture so that people will know who I talk about. Yes, now this one be Prophet Osamonji Olayemi, aka Uregbe, one of the universe, the oracle of God based in United Kingdom. Baba, happy birthday to you in advance. Yes, now your wife won't be Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael, one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. Make us show EJ Michael, Lady Favor. Mommy, daddy, this your wife. God use and take favor you. That's why she the answer favor. This one a man when be say God they speak to. God they speak to Ramu. Person when he prophesy for president, say he go win. And the prophecy come to pass. Baba, you go prophesy for me when time come. I go call you, Baba. Because he go say, if person don't know where they go, he go know where from they come. People, I a prophet, they can see tomorrow, they can see what will happen next year, and they will still have the solution. Some are seer, they don't get solution. Why some be seer, then they get solution? Like my dad in a prophet, when be say, he don't they do this, now God call and not being called God. So they when be say, now then they call God. Una no vessel, na message I be. Una when be say na the when they force yourself, one become na God call me. No person when God call. Una once they take the know am. Prophet Osamonji Olayemi, aka the Uregbe, one of the universe, the oracle. He is in an oracle of God. Make I show his wife. Please, as I just they praise this man, make now they help me they type happy birthday. Thank you, Uji. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. And Adesuwa Jenny, thank you for wishing Prophet Osamonji happy birthday in advance. Now on the 13th of October. October. Then one do. Baba, I wish say God don't bless me finish now. Maybe I for come play for you. I for come play for you for UK now. But you pray for me, may God do everything so that I feel they travel all over the world. Because now the calling when God call me for that one, I need to travel all over the world to give my message of God. Yes, now this one be Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael, one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. Yes, daddy, now she say make I come wish you happy birthday. He say you na her lovely husband. When you name in a goma guy, we queen no huro pagunye gawe, we love you egbe. Or say no na mweme we get the messenger. No, you wish you a happy birthday. If you want to understand the meaning of my Edo, you go tap your Google. Make I show my prophet. This one a prophet when get swag. Prophet when be say he dey dress responsible. Prophet when be say I don't know as I want to talk and when not to believe me. I know this man from Nigeria. I know this man of God from Nigeria before he entered United Kingdom. We go they play for him that time. Yes, now this one be Prophet Osamoji Olayemi, aka the Uregbe one of the universe, the Oracle of God, based in United Kingdom. Baba, happy birthday to you from your wife, from your lovely wife, Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. Now where Queen did and do. Baba, if I want to see Queen Elizabeth, I go come your house, me go show me a house. Yes, who no Paris, no where trip fair do. Where they for they see that thing when they show for Paris. Who no day no go no. As me not day UK now, so I don't know where Queen Elizabeth day. I know say now only you know. Happy birthday in advance to you once again. My prophet Osamoji Olayemi, aka Uregbe, one of the universe, the Oracle of God. You know, Oracle of God. Thank you, Favor. May God bless you, Favor. So, Baba, I go play music for you the day of your birthday. So I need to wish you happy birthday. Then I'll do shout out for you. We know how they do. Baba, I know say na man you be. I say we in the flow. Please, my people, join me to wish my prophet happy birthday in advance. From his lovely wife, Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. Thank you, mommy, for you to remember your husband. Say make I wish a happy birthday in advance. Now so God go dey remember una in Jesus' name. Amen. Now so the message I talk. Yes. Just the next on my list. I want to wish a great superstar. This one on the 20th of this month. The day when they do election. When Obaseki win. Oh, Don Cliff. You will be a winner in Jesus' name. Don Cliff to smile. Just please, my people, join me to wish this great superstar happy birthday once again. Just now on the 20th of this month, now Don Cliff celebrates his birthday. Just Don Cliff to smile. This one are the only musician when be say it don't rain, you know the Tengbemu. If you want to understand the meaning of format Tengbemu, you go tap your Google. Just happy birthday to you, Don Cliff to smile from the house of the messenger. Our was our guys na wa metisa. Amanda why got the recessi. Just Don Cliff to smile. Please, my people, join me to wish Don Cliff to smile happy birthday. Yes, new Ogogo. Thank you very much. I see you, Mos Udin. You use this one tap, use this one tap. Now, woman you be, now God bless you. Stella Samuel, thank you very much, my lovely sister, for wishing Don Cliff to smile. Happy birthday. Yes, Don Cliff, I go call one person join you. Awa wakulugbe, awa kukugbo pa. Kukugbo ne. We call it a day. Edo where I begbo isan do I make an oje we matter. I don't Destiny Ugbo. I see you. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please, Don Cliff to smile. Please just join me to wish that superstar. And I know that superstar. And when they go where God they go, they bring song, they sing. Now be Don Cliff to smile. Just I still get my sister here. This my sister when I want mention her name. I know say many of you go know her for Facebook. This one now the girl when be say anybody when be say don't be friend for Facebook. The person they do birthday, the person post picture. This girl he must comment. Thank you very much, Pat. May God bless you. Say Don Cliff. Thank you very much. Just join me to wish him happy birthday, Don Cliff. Who are they talk about now? Pretty or Morije. This one they see this girl post. They post people. So they will not even know self. He go send money, go Nigeria, go do sharata for them. I know say the day of your birthday, Pat or Morije. Now on the 1st of October, now be birthday, Pat Omorije. Happy birthday in advance to you. Make I show your picture, make people know who I they talk about. Now this one be Pat Omorije. Now Paris, now day. Yes, they do her birthday on the 1st of October. I say make I come wish you happy birthday. I mean the messenger they wish you happy birthday in advance. Yes, the messenger they wish you happy birthday because you na person when be say you they post people. I know say on the October 1st, Facebook go catch fire because of this sister because now if they comment for people picture, that's why they tell you say if you see say they wish people happy birthday, if you see my shout out for Facebook, tap happy birthday because a day somebody go still bring your picture, come the message at the table so that you go see who go wish you happy birthday. Now so we they do, now so they do. Just Pat Omorije, happy birthday in advance to you. October 1st, I will come, me I can't drink for your neck. I will come, me I can't drink. But now on the 5th, now I want to celebrate for Paris. If you know say you be part, friends and well-wishers, make you deal with her on that day. On the 5th of October. But on the 1st, now be her birthday. So if you want post her picture, make you help her post. If you know say don't post your picture, make you post her own. Post her own. If you want make people they post your pictures, make you they post people on. They post people on. If you want make people they comment for your picture, make you they comment for people picture. If you want make people wish you happy birthday, wish people happy birthday. If you want make people play your music, play people music. Some people call me, if you know they do play your music, oh let me want go fit play my music. Yes, I need to play and make people hear, fine. But I still play people, because it rank my mugbo. And this my latest they come, the small one when I post for Facebook that day. I ask people to embrace them because I they play people on. The life na osusu. Some people don't believe say life na osusu. You do for me, I do for you. Now the life be. If you want me people post your picture, you have to post people picture. Now so they do. The last but not the least, yes, now no destiny Osas, that man when they sing when they journey. He do a birthday for this month. Do a birthday for this month. But help me wish a happy birthday. As Don Cliff to smile. Now you go play for us to take call a day. We have gone. We don't reach the final date, the final of today. Now this one be destiny Osas. He just do a birthday very long. And in new latest new comments, I go plan next week by the grace of God. I go plan finish. Because of time, we need to go to work tomorrow. Now once everything be now, nothing is free in Europe. Everything, this light one they use so they pay put. Nothing is free. So we have to work so that the ministry will be moving. As you can see, the ministry is moving. As he say, I get Nigeria flag. Yeah. So, I get Nigeria flag. I get France flag. And I get Italy flag. Those one are the 3 countries when I don't go. If God don't do me better, I don't travel. All the whole flags, the countries when I don't go, I go put them. Why I not put Libya? I not put Niger. Like Bava. If you want to understand the meaning of you go tap your Google. You tap your Google. Yes, thank you very much, Prophet Osamonji Olayemi. That is the Ugegbe one of Sheshege. He say, thank you, superstar. The sky is your limit. Baba, I know you are a prophet. This sky is your limit when you don't tell me. Amen. 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 I claim it in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you, Baba. Yes, we don't reach the end of today. Thank you, my sister Stella Samuel. And I love Libya and Nigeria. Is control your dinner and chop baku. If you not see dinner control, oh how many can you go? Okay, mommy. Ugbe many can you go? Yes, so if you see me for the first time, I mean be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger. Yes, my today program now to congratulate my governor Godwin Enorerase Obaseki and to give message to Edo people so that make it work, make it make us proud as everybody support and so he not pay to make everybody take support am. Na God say make it be, and so it be so, and nobody go fit change am. Baba, you go still walk as God take direct you. I pray may God strengthen you to so that you go execute all your old plans when you get for Edo State for good one. And that one be my message to you. Thank you. I thank everyone that supports Obaseki, both home and abroad. Anywhere when you support Obaseki, now so God go dey support you. We support am so that make it help our people when they Benin. We don't still dey help ourselves for yes small. Our Europe government don't still dey help us small. Yeah. So our government for Edo State need to still help our people. My governor, you still help us. And that musician when bring Togba when compose 4+4 need to be rewarded. Make I talk am with my Okpo. Star Majesty need to be rewarded for Togba, because now that song now be campaign when he did for Governor Obaseki when he enter the seat again. And we know say if he still enter, but that musician when compose that music 4+4 Togba need to be reward. Even though say na chekeleting, make una reward am. About Obaze, deliver this my message to my Excellency Governor Godwin Enorerase Obaseki. For these 4 years, when you want stay for seat, so want solo away, want to solo away, want to disturb the work when you want work for those state, make you not work on. If you dey plan na so true, na so Benin people talk, na so Iwedo talk, na so the whole world talk. Godwin Enorerase Obaseki, you will live long to lead Edo State to the next level, so that for the whole Nigerians, the whole state go dey use Edo State till they make parable say go see our Governor Obaseki turn Edo State to for the good one, and so go, and so it go be in Jesus' name. Una when they watch my program, and so God go they watch over una life. People, when I wish happy birthday today, next year by the grace of God, now still do another birthday in a very big form. Make Omoefe the king complete for una. Yes, Pat Ejagmoya. Thank you, Adesuwa Jenny, one of Paris, and your godson Destiny. May God bless una for una to remember Pat Ejagmoya. Now God go bless una. And Pretty Omorije, when one do her birthday on the 1st of October. May God bless you. And Destiny Osas, when you do it birthday, may God bless you. Don't Cliff to smile. Now on the 20th, you do your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. And Prophet Osamonji Olayemi, aka Uhegbe, one of the universe, the oracle of God based in United Kingdom. Happy birthday to you. Now on the 13th of October, now be your birthday. Happy birthday in advance, Daddy. Now your lovely wife will be Lady Favor, aka EJ Michael, one of Malaga, based in United Kingdom. May God bless you. The only caller when I see today, Omos Udin, may God bless you. May God bless you. Thank you very much for your call. May God bless you for the advice when you give my governor today. May God bless you all. As we call it today, I interview some people for Paris today. I interview Biggie Afro, America, Afro Miss when they see plan for Paris. I interview her for Obaseki issue. Make una listen to wetin he talk before we call it a day. My brother Biggie America Afro Miss. Yes, Baba Biggie, aka Afro America Miss.
Yeah, America Afro Miss.
Yes, for Paris. So, Daddy, are you happy for our new present governor, Obaseki?
I'm very happy from day one. I was in the support of Obaseki because of my Edo people.
Thank you, Vicky Gold. May God bless you for watching.
Born and brought up in Ogbe.
Okay.
So I'm very happy. Since on Saturday, I'm full of joy and happiness. So all I have for Obaseki, my own contribution, is for God to guide and protect Obaseki and protect we all the Benin, and give long life to Obaseki and give him good health to fulfill all his projects, every good thing he has for Edo State. And we the Benin, we are in support with him, with Obaseki, that everything that he has for Edo State, the good plan, all will come to pass and he will accomplish it and he will make it great, and we'll be proud of our kingdom, Benin. And I'm proud of my Oba Atokbere.
He's
a great Oba.
Yes, that is Biggie America Afro Miss when they Paris. You see, say everybody for the whole world, all Benin people for the whole world, they in support with my governor Obaseki. That's why my governor, that's why I'm pleading. No laho nuge yekwe mwima nivye do with this second tenor. Veni anike kawe yekwe mwima. If you can't be say the way when all of us they support you, so you can't say na gbenari you know. Edo iya tomamu iya fie kegbo baba iya fie kegbo ne. That is the message from the messenger. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my country people. So let's play music. So if my music come up, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omo Efe the Messenger TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be dropping my music there very soon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have up to 5,000 friends on my Facebook, but the subscribers I have on my YouTube is not even up to 400. Please, Wallah, let the ministry move. Please show love. Make una show love to una boy. Mona show love. Omo Efe the Messenger TV. Please go and subscribe to that YouTube channel. Thank you, my prophet Olayemi, the Uregbe one of the universe. May God bless you, Baba. And almost you did Stella Samuel. May God bless you. Mama Clara, one of Milan. My followers. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. I use Okpoto to bless you now. God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you. So, musician, make you play for us. Make we take call it a day. Make we take call it a day. Where you now?
Na 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 na.
Okay now, all the birthday people may not dance so.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, sabe you got my power.
Pat, make you enter floor, may you dance now. Pat, Ijagmoya, Adesuwa Jenny, one of Paris. Make you join Pat and Destiny. Pat Omorije, happy birthday to you. Destiny Osas, Don Cliff, to smile. And Prophet Osamonji Olayemi. By His grace, we'll see next week, Tuesday. By His grace. Thank you very much. If you see me for the first time, now me be Omoefe the King, aka the Messenger, the King of birthday wishes. I love you all. I love you all. I love all my followers. I love my fans all over the world. I love my Edo people. Oba Atokpe, he said. Oba Atokpe, he said. Oba Atokpe, he said. Thank you very much. We see you by next week. Thank you. I love you all.